Hi, it's Richard here. Can you believe it's almost the end of another year? I know, time is flying, right? But it's okay, that just brings us a little bit closer to one of our favorite immersion courses of the year. It's Réveillon in Cambuquira, in languages, folks. Yeah, I've heard our Trilogy Institute teachers, Percio and Luciata, trying to organize classes in Italian and French. That'll be fantastic. And you know, we always have English, right? You know what New Year's parties are usually like, right? Yeah, too much of everything. You need like a week to recover. In my country, in Canada, these crazy people go running into the freezing cold ocean to celebrate. Yeah, we've got something different in mind. You know, one of the dictionary definitions of immersion is a deep mental involvement in a subject, as in he was deeply involved in his experience. Well, we're going to deeply involve you in a whole new kind of society at our immersion course. It's a chance for you to experience the artistic, spiritual, profound, and friendly environment that you experienced during your Trilogy Institute classes. And you know what? It's also an opportunity for you to see what kind of a society is promised by the science of analytical trilogy. Hey, we're not just teaching you how to order hamburgers in Miami here. There'll be arts classes, psychocine, concerts, dance and music workshops, all in the language that you'll be studying. It'll be a wonderful chance to improve your language skills and even, can we say it, energize your soul. Hey, no book is on the table discussions around here. Hey, our immersion courses are like a league of nations. We have teachers from all over the world here, from Italy, from Sweden, from Finland, from Brazil, from Canada, from the United States. It's an amazing experience for everybody, and this is what our students love. Hey, immersion means immersing the students in the deep study of a subject, usually in a special location. And what's that special location? That's our Grandi Hotel Trilogia. Have a look. So, come and join us for a New Year's you'll never forget, an international New Year's in languages at our Grandi Hotel Trilogia. Join us, we'll see you there.